Okay, so this is our Christmas present. Baby, what's the name of it? Chucky? I'm sorry, this is Chuck. Might as well be Chucky from Child's Play 14. He won't shut up and he won't stop moving. Okay?
Let's go on an adventure.
I don't care. I want you to be quiet.
Maybe later then.
Won't ever stop. This is what happens when you try to pick him up.
Go for a ride. Good to be back on the ground.
And he'll do this all night. Very, very scary. Oh, there he goes again. Okay. I could have sworn that he's supposed to shut off after like a specific amount of time, but he won't. He just keeps going. Alright. Hi, Chucky. Weirdo. He's probably going to end up killing me in my sleep.